everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I make scrunchies and bows. I've been doing so for 10 years now, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little fabric haul of what I've got from Spotlight recently. And before I get too ahead of myself, please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. So when I received these parcels, I was actually pretty surprised. Got shipped in only 3. Sometimes when I do a big Spotlight order, it comes in like 14 different parcels, and that is not a joke at all. Yeah, so I've got all of these to show you. We'll start with the one that I've already sort of opened a little bit. So I ordered a lot of this fabric because it was on sale. They had quite a good deal. I can't remember what it was, but it was like for flannelette and linen, I think. So a lot of these fabrics that I'm showing you are actually already online. So I went and I purchased them the night before, but then on the Sunday I think I went in and purchased them in store because I wanted to do them for my launch. I found most of the flannelette bases are actually really good for scrunchies and they work well. So I decided to get some more. Maybe there's probably like 1 or 2 that like have more of a fluffy texture to them, whereas ones like this don't have a fluffy texture. So the teddy one, I'm not sure how it's going to turn out in scrunchies, but we'll see. So I did get this one, which I thought was just so sweet. It's like sleeping teddy bears, like really cozy. Got this one. So that one's more of like a coffee drinker one, I guess, like hot chocolates cafe one. This is actually the one that made me get more flannelette because this one turned out just so cute and I really like the prints. So this one, which is like a cute little gingham one with florals. I did get this one. I don't know about this one though because it is quite a large print. So it's, I nearly said chickens. It's birds just with like fries in their mouth. So I got that one. This one, just little strawberries, which I thought was really cute. Got some fairy bread, which again, this one's quite a large print compared to what I'm usually working with, but hopefully it works out okay. I got this one for next year's Easter collection. That's just little chickens in like eggshells. This one's a linen, so it's a nice natural sort of color. It's very linen-y. Because sometimes you get the linen ones and they're like got a lot of cotton, like they're usually like a mix of cotton and linen. This one you can tell, like even just by like the strands that are coming off. I thought this one would be really cute in XLs, so I'll give that one a go. We'll open up the next one. Go for a small one this time. So yeah, this one I actually brought to the markets for the Italian festival, and that one sold so fast, so I just had to get some more. This one's really nice. It feels lovely and it's just so pretty. For most of these I did get between 2 and 3 meters, especially the linen ones. I did try and get 3 meters of each. Only dropped them all. So this is another flannelette one. Got little bunnies on it. Again, I was thinking more for Easter next year. Little bees, which I think is really cute. Bees are super popular at market. Like a kangaroo one, which I thought might be really popular, not just with Aussies but internationally as well. I do have quite a few people that even just like come to the markets and they're like, oh, do you have any Aussie prints? Because, you know, we're out in the holidaying and we want something to take back. Got this really lovely turtle print. I don't think I have any turtle prints online. I'm not sure if I've even had a turtle print before. I can't recall if I have, so I don't think I have. This one, which is another flannelette print, really cute. Got this chocolate bar one. Again, this one's quite a larger print, but I just got a meter of it just to see how it would go for scrunchies. And then these ones are all linen, so all linen blends. So this one, which is like a digital print, I thought that would be cute for XLs. It is a little bit of a bigger print than I thought. So that's why I don't particularly like shopping online, because it's kind of hard to tell what they're going to be, which is super pretty. I find purple just sells really fast, so I wanted to get quite a lot of the purple one. I did get 3 meters of that one to make XLs and the regular size scrunchies out of. This one, which is super bright, I thought that one would turn out really cute. Even if I don't do this one in scrunchies, I'm sure if I should do it in scrunchies or a dress. So I did want to also purchase quite a few of these linen bases just because I think they're like super pretty and I'd probably wear them as a dress or as something as well. Now this one I purchased to make a dress out of. I have seen it before. The actual pattern that I'm making, want to make the dress from, they use this specific material. Yeah, I loved that dress, so I wanted to get it. But when I was looking, some of these linens were like $30, $35 a meter, not on sale. And linen's actually a bit harder to get on a good price and a good deal. You don't want to spend, you know, $20 or $18 even when it's like not on, like that's even on special. And they haven't had like a really good sale until this weekend just gone by. These are all like $12 a meter, which again, it's still expensive compared to like if you're comparing for like 5 years ago. With all this fabric in today's world, that is very cheap for linen, especially, yeah, because they are usually $30 a meter. So I just wanted to get quite a few bits and pieces of the linen ones. I honestly thought I got more linen, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I just got these ones. I suppose that's still like 6 different colors for the linen. Actually wasn't a lot of linen online, and when I went in store there wasn't a lot that I wanted. Like it was all kind of sold out, so I might have waited too long to, I guess, go and get what I wanted from in store, but that's okay. Yeah, that's my little haul. It's only going to be a short one today. Let me know what you guys think. Which one was your favorite? I think my favorite would probably actually be this really bright and colorful one. Like I really like that, and I'm not sure whether I should keep it for myself and make a dress out of it or make it into scrunchies. Let me know what you guys think about the rest of the haul. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.